Hey guys, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is and I think you guys need to vote on, do we want to keep it Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup, or do we want to change it to Mature Skin Makeup Mondays? Let me know in the comments below which one you guys like, because some people said they watch it because it says Hot Flash Makeup, and then other people say they don't like the name Hot Flash Makeup, they want me to change it. So I don't know, whatever makes more people happy, that's what we're going to do. So if you have an opinion, make sure you put it in there, because otherwise I won't know. Anyways, today is a Mature Skin Makeup Monday Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Day. Anyway, we are going to be testing out the new NARS Sheer Glow Foundation today. So let's get started. I've already primed my face with my Milky Mist from Pixie and my base tape from Tarte. So we're going to go in with my Jouer concealer first, because that's what I like to do now. Lately my videos have been so long. I made a video yesterday. I pre-filmed it for when I'm in California. When I started that video, it was 46 minutes long. That was ridiculous. I was thinking, I don't know what I said, but it was way too much. So, and that just means it takes a long time to edit it. So we don't want them to be that long, because nobody's got that kind of time, right? I love these sponges. I think this should have been in my favorites drugstore stuff, but I forgot about it. So just add this. This is number 6 to my top 5 drugstore products right now. Don't forget, you have to roll it to get it in the wrinkles. Okay, now we're going to go in with our contour, and I'm going to be using my Tarte Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to use the cream contour, which is right here. No, it's right here. Anyway, that's what I'm going to use for contouring. And I'm using my e.l.f. contouring brush. And you just start at the corner of your ear, aim for the corner of your mouth. And then I just go up through the temple area. Along the jawline. And it doesn't matter if it looks like super dark and stark like that, because I'm going to blend it a little, and then I'm going to put foundation on top of it. Remember, we are testing the foundation. So it needs to be a little bit bold, otherwise it's not going to show through the foundation. Want to shadow all this, anything that's hanging down, that didn't used to be hanging down. And that is that. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush and do my nose a little bit darker. And my lips. Now I'm going to take this and just blend the edges of this a little bit. Pull it up into my hair some. I get too much right there because I don't have as much hair right there. On both sides. But I guess I'd rather have it in my hair a little bit than have it not blend to my hairline. My internet's not very good today. My camera has to keep re-hooking up. And it makes me look down at it every time it does. Because I get the idea something's going on when it actually isn't. Okay, now on to the, oh no, we're going to put some highlight because I actually set it out in front of me so I'd remember. So that we could put a little bit of this jelly highlight that I like so much, but I can never remember to use because I always put my powder on before I remember it. Okay, I feel like, oh, I do have a hair, but it's from my head. Anyways, I'm just going to tap this on a little bit, spread it out some, and then go in with my sponge because it dries down really fast. But it's really good highlight. And it doesn't matter if it's a little bit bold because, like I said, it's going to have foundation over the top. And then I'm going to put like a powder also on it. And I only put the cream highlight on my cheekbones. Then I just use the powder on my nose and lip. But now we're going in with, and this new NARS Sheer Glow, it comes with just a regular old lid. No pump, no doe foot, no nothing. I think that's a little strange. A little outdated. But that's what we're going to go with. I'm just going to dab some on. Hopefully that's enough. I forgot to tell you what color this is. But I'm going to go ahead and spread it just in case it dries down really fast. Then I'll tell you what color it is, hopefully. Hopefully I'll remember to tell you. Now this is called Sheer Glow, so hopefully we're going to get to keep some glow going. Isn't that amazing how now I like glow? And when I started this, I was a matte girl. I thought glow made me look plastic. And some glows still do. Like if I use a stick, because they're so thick, never mind. Then yeah, I think that it does make me look plastic. But if I can get one of these good ones that is like skin-like and glowy, I love it. It's a game changer for me as far as having glow. I mean, I don't know if this one's going to be that, but I hope so. Salzburg. That's what color I have, Salzburg. Okay, let's see, what's next? Powder. So I'm going to take my Brighten Up from Essence, and I'm going to powder under my eyes, and basically all the places that I highlight, and then I'm going to spread that out to the rest of my face with a fluffy brush. brighten up that forehead a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take my fluffy brush and just spread this to the rest of my face. Yeah, it's a little dark. That's why it shows up in my hair. I'm using my BAREMINERALS Invisible Bronzer. And I'm pretty much going everywhere I put that contour underneath. Just bronzing up the skin. Pulling it down my neck so that I don't look like I'm wearing a mask. To blend in that there. And then I'm going to use my Dallas from Benefit as my blush. And I'm going to use my strobe in the Pro Glow palette for just amping up that highlight again. So pretty. And then I'm going to take my dual fiber brush and blend it all together. So now I'm going to spray my face with my Morphe setting spray. And yes, I use a lot. And my handy dandy fan, which I don't know how I ever lived without. Okay guys, I am going to go off camera now and finish my makeup, and then I will come back and let you see what the look of the day is, and then I will check back in at the end of the day and let you know how this wore. But right now, it's looking better already. So I think it's going to settle down and be fine. It looks great on my cheeks. It's just up here where the concealer is mostly that it's a little bit, I can see it. That's it. It's like I can't see it over here, and I like not seeing it. And I like not seeing it. I don't want it, I want it to look beautiful, but I don't want it to be like makeup thick, cakey, Anyways, I'll be back. So far I'm really liking it pretty good. It's not my favorite. It did sink in. It's just not playing well with my concealer right here. That's the only place. Down here, it's good. And over here, around my eyes, it's fine. It's just right here in these lines right here. I just need some Botox to get rid of those lines, and then I don't have to worry about that, right? Anyways. So far, it's okay. It's meh. We'll see. What do you think about the glow? It's pretty good. I do like the glow. Anyways, I'll come back at the end of the day and let you know how it stood up to hot flash and, well, not wrinkles, but to hot flashes. Maybe if I have a hot flash, then I can press this out, and then it won't even have a wrinkle problem. Anyways, I'll be back. Hey guys, I am back. It is the end of the day, and this is our hot flash and wrinkles mature skin Monday makeup Monday video, and we are testing the NARS Sheer Glow, and I think I do like it. It does sink into wrinkles a little bit, but they all do. But it doesn't feel like it moved. You know what I mean? It's like I can't get it to move now. So I think I probably just didn't get it out well enough when I was sponging it. Anyways, I'm going to give it a thumbs up. I like it. I've still got glow. It hasn't moved. It's gathering around my nose a little bit. Just a little bit, though. And I may have not got it out of there either, because I've been running around like crazy. Anyways, I am going to give it a thumbs up. I do like it. I do like the color. I do like the feel of it. Feels like I'm not wearing any makeup. That's always good. So that's it. I give it a thumbs up. It's not perfect because it does sink into lines a little bit. Have I found one that's perfect? I don't think so. So I will try this a few more times to see if it does become one of my favorites. But for now, I am giving it a thumbs up. It's a good one. Except that it doesn't have a pump and it doesn't have a doe foot. That's just weird, I think. It's like they've gone old school. And I don't like the old school. I like the pump. Even the doe foot's fine with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Share this on all your social media so our family can grow, grow, grow. And I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!